Did I tell you what happened? 老闆第一時間做就做啦。
心会很痒，眼中的 yellow fever， 偏爱亚洲 lover， 你明明已经有我了，还大声高声，对说了你露出闪亮笑容和白白牙。
Well, look who decided to join us.
Yeah, it's good to see you.
Come on in.
You sure you don't want to fuck her a little before you start? It's no problem at all. I'll just have to swing by your hotel on the way to the studio.
Nah, man, I'm good. We could do a photo shoot or whatever, and look, I'm sure it'd be fun and all, but that's not why I'm here, dude.
You don't know what you're missing. This baby will fuck you in a way your wife never could.
Sonny, this is Wei. Wei, the infamous Sonny Woe.
That's me. Infamous and notorious. Glad you could come by. Ricky's told me all about you. This is King.
What's good?
He's producing Vivian Liu's next big hit.
Yeah, it's gonna be hot, man.
Wei here's the real deal. A bona fide tried killer from the streets. Cleavers, guns, castrations, whatever you want.
Okay.
Wei, why don't you take King out on the town and show him around?
Yeah, anytime.
It's like one big playground, man. Nothing's off limits. You want to pick up some girls, get nasty, done. And with Wei, no one will bother you. Nobody fucks with Sun On Yi.
Yeah, I mean, actually, that sounds all right. If you don't mind showing me around.
Yeah, sure.
I wish I could go with you players, but business calls.
All right, cool, man. Yo, it was real nice to meet you, Sonny. Let's hit the streets.
Let's do it.
Ricky, listen to this. I've been thinking. We need to get her a movie role of some sort.
Hey, I think we'll start at the K-Bar. The VIP room should give us what we need.
Hey, it's your town, man.
So you producing for Sonny?
Just this one time. Man, that guy's a piece of work.
He's a fucking clown, you ask me.
I'm glad you said it first.
But he does good business, makes everyone a lot of money. But as far as his personality goes,
Good to know we're on the same page. Fact is, you know, I got some other business to discuss. But I don't think my partners back in the States would want to be in bed with that guy.
what kind of business?
I got friends, guys I grew up with. They got a real good import and retail thing going. They could use a good Hong Kong angle. Access to that good Asian product, you feel me? It's the reason I took the producing gig, was I heard Vivian and her label had connections.
Here they are. To me.
Well then, I guess this is gonna be like one of them old school business meetings. You know, where you show me around town and you try to figure out if we're a good fit.
K-Bar.
Good evening, gentlemen.
We'd like the VIP karaoke room.
It's right this way.
好耐冇見啦。
Yo, hold on. Now don't tell me you and me are gonna sing to each other. I mean, I'm here for the local flavor, but not that local.
Let me find us the right kind of audience.
Hard time making up my mind when it comes to food. Hey man, what's the big deal?
你冇嘢啊？
Hey there. What's your name?
Katushka.
I'm Wei. So listen, I saw you looking at my friend and I figured you realize he's a famous American celebrity. And I just wanted to ask if you mind keeping it a secret.
Ooh, how can I say no?
Or if you're not doing anything, maybe I can buy you silence with a drink. Want to join us?
That's very nice of you.
So you're from Russia?
Yes. How'd you guess?
I'd call it a hunch.
Oh, you.
Here, have a seat. I'm gonna find a few more people to join us. Hello, ladies.
Hey, Mr. VIP! Want to buy us girls a drink?
I don't know. My friend and I gonna enjoy your company?
Try us on and see what you get.
All right. Why don't you join my friend and me? I'll be in a second.
How about
You okay, miss?
hey, poor guy? That my girl, so why don't you fuck off?
I'm Sun On Yi, motherfucker. Now get out of here before I break every bone in your body.
Oh man, no, sorry, I didn't know who you were.
Guy seemed like he was getting a little pushy.
We get that a lot.
You work here?
Yes.
So, you allowed to join the customers for a drink?
Oh, that sounds nice.
By the way, I'm Wei.
I don't think I've seen you here before. I'm Ilyana.
Yeah. I usually don't come to places like this. I'm here for my friend.
Well, if you ever want to hang out at places not like this, let me know.
I'd like that. Can I call you?
Sounds good. Thanks. Give me a call sometime.
應該要走啦。我個妹個老公買咗件好靚
嘅 Ashanti sweater 俾佢啊，點知我個老公以為人哋買一隻狗。
Damn, Way. Who knew Hong Kong was full of such beautiful women?
Friendly too.
How do you not know Hong Kong have beautiful girls? You just had to come to the right place.
Well, I expect you girls to make sure King never makes that mistake again.
You can count on us, baby. We love American men. Don't we, Tina?
All right, Way. Why don't you show us what you got?
Come on, Wei. Let's see those lungs.
Well, I'll show you mine if you show me yours.
Oh, wow, he looks so cool.
Oh, yeah. Bring it, baby.
You really have charisma.
Hits just keep coming. Keep it going.
You've been telling me you were a genius since you were 17. And all the time I've known you, I still don't know what you mean. The weekend at college didn't turn out like you planned. The things that pass for knowledge I can't understand. Are you reeling in the years?
我好開心見你喺度啊！
Waiting time.
我買落去嘅啱啱好似啱啱我頭幾係我知。
Are you reeling in the years?
我哋需要個送貨補習老師。
Don't wait time. Are you getting up the tears? Have you had enough of mine?
拜拜，下次見啦。
That was so good.
Impressive. Oh, yeah. Hey, Way. Hey, come get a picture of this, will you?
Way here has been promising me a taste of Hong Kong.
Yeah, nice. Oh, yeah. Bring it, baby.
Come on, let's bounce. You know what? You give good tourists, Way.
Well, it's my town, least I can do.
Yo, Way. Don't think I'll forget that, man. Come on, my people will like you, huh? You got the right feel. Too many motherfuckers think all you gotta do is jump bad and wear the right colors. Nah, business is a business. You feel me? You gotta be in it with the right people. Yeah, I can see you fitting right in the States even. Yeah, if you ever want to change the scenery.
I'll keep that in mind.
呢度仍然唔係幾好。
There you are. I've been waiting for you, 死仆街。
Stand back.
Stand back! You crazy? This is icing on the fucking cake. Bring it, asshole.
你想收我皮？斬解佢
That's some nasty ass shit you got going on. Remind me not to fuck with you. Alright, so listen, man. I'm going back in a week or so, alright? I'll tell my boys I got the man for them.
All right.
They'll want to start slow, and I'm guessing they can move as much product as you can ship. this could be huge, man. These boys got some big ideas, too. I'm talking all the legit shit their money goes into. Gotta go somewhere. You feel me? And the feds back home are really cracking down. Brothers might be looking for a little offshore stash. Yeah. And the man who set that up kept it safe. Yeah, he'd have a whole river of green to deal with. You feel me?
I could swing that for you. I still got contacts stateside who could set up the other side of things.
Hell yeah. Yo, you ever work in movies, Wade?
Nah, too much bullshit. I mean, look at Sonny Woe.
Nah, man. Come on, that's what's good about it. Everybody's a fucking moron. You come in with muscle and money, and you too can call the shots.
You got a point. All right, here you go.
Thanks, man. I really appreciate it. Really. It's real cool to meet you. We'll see you around.
Yeah, for sure. Hopefully first night of many.
Well, then. Looks like this is the beginning of a beautiful friendship.
All right, man. Take care. Hello? Ileana?
Yes, who is this?
It's Wei. You gave me your number at K-Bar?
I didn't expect you to actually call.
Really? I'd like to hang out. Free?
Yeah, I'm off work in a little while. Can you meet me at K-Bar?
Yeah, sure. I'll see you there.
See you.
Always good to hook up a fellow dry brother.
I don't mind you fucking her. It's one of the perks. But she has to understand the consequences if she disappoints me. Are we clear?
Of course, Sonny.
You're not getting attached, are you? A man of your caliber?
You don't need to worry about that.
I hope not. Wait, come in. Have a drink. You ever fucked some famous pussy, Wei?
Not yet. Maybe one day.
It's a trip, man, let me tell you. You drive by one of those billboards the size of a building, and you tell yourself, I'm going to her place, bend her over the table, and then you do it. There's no other feeling like it.
Yeah, okay. Speaking of stars, I need to go pick up Vivian.
Let Wei do it. You and I have more business to discuss. How about it, Wei? Think you can handle a smoking hot starlet for the day?
Sure. You know, as long as Ricky doesn't think I'm moving in on his territory.
Nah, of course not. Here, take my car.
You take good care of my little starlet. Go ahead and fuck her if you want. Just don't damage the goods.
Who are you?
I'm Wei. Ricky sent me. Didn't he tell you?
No, I was expecting Ricky.
Everything okay?
Everything is not okay. Is it wrong of me to want to see my boyfriend? Why do I have to put up with this?
No, Vivi, it's not wrong. And you put up with it because Ricky loves you. But
what?
Since your boyfriend isn't driving, I get to sit in front. Why are the bad ones always so good looking? I'm Sandra. What's your name again?
It's Wei. Ricky talks about him a lot.
Oh, all nice things, I'm sure. And you're here to basically do whatever we want?
Something like that. What do you have in mind?
Do you have steady hands at high speed?
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, I can provide references if you like.
Are you trying to talk him into one of those street races you always go on about?
So what's the deal, Wei? You a gangster like Ricky?
He's not a gangster, don't say that.
Let's say I'm as much of a gangster as Ricky.
Oh, that's too bad. Recently I've wanted to date a gangster.
Well, maybe I'll see if I can find one for you.
That would be nice. What's Ricky doing anyways? Why is he too busy?
I don't know. Something with Sonny.
Sonny? That guy's a creep and a perv. Sorry, baby.
It's okay.
What? What'd he do?
Nothing. But he tried. I was at a party on Wallace Chung's yacht. I was like 16. I got so high. Great party. Anyways, Sonny was there. He was all, impress me and maybe I'll make you a star. He wanted me to fuck this old guy he was with, and Sonny wanted to watch. I was like, that's him, pull up. Hi, Alex. How are you?
Huh. This is your new boyfriend?
Not yet. Why? Are you jealous?
Of this guy?
Hey, so Sandra says you like to race. How about it? Now, if you win, I'll let you take the girls home.
Wait.
I'm not sure how much that's worth. Okay, we race for the girls and 100,000.
Sure, I'll take your money too.
You racing with the girls in your car? The extra weight will slow you down, idiot.
Think of it as your head start, Alex. Because you're gonna need it.
Think of it as your head start. 呢條粉腸你唔好帶我啊 I'll show him.
This is gonna be great. All right. Vivian and I won't talk. You know how to drive.
Oh my god, my heart is beating so fast. Is that the police? I don't want to get arrested. That could be really bad.
You are out of control. I like it.
Oh my god, my heart is beating so fast.
Wait.
Steady hands. Gotta give you that.
Thanks.
Oh, get a room, you two.
Oh, shit! The police!
Oh, cops, perfect.
The police!
The police? Are they after us? Oh no.
Don't worry, it'll be fine.
Wait.
It'll be fine, don't worry.
Oh, cops, perfect.
The police!
The police? Are they after us? Oh no.
Don't worry, it'll be fine.
Wait.
Yeah, it'll be fine, don't worry.
Oh, you lost him, thank god.
Nice work, Way.
You're driving us home, right?
Of course. Well, unless Sandra has some other exciting plans.
I'm all excited out. But you can take me for a drive anytime.
I might just take you up on that.
Oh, get a room, you two.
I think that's a bit later.
Oh, you are a confident bastard. I like that. But I'm promising nothing. You take me racing, and we'll see if you have what it takes.
What?
Oh, that's it, just over there.
That was fun, Wei. Thanks.
Anytime.
Vivi, give Wei my number and tell him he can take me out on a second date.
Sandra says you can take her on a second date if you want.
Yeah, I got that. Thanks.
Thanks for taking us out today.
It was my pleasure.